Okay, so this is page 41, number 6. It's about a lampstand made out of a equilateral triangular prism and a cylinder. I would like to figure out its surface area, but you know, the question doesn't ever tell me whether I should include the bottom or not. I'm going to assume that I do, and that's going to be my answer, and then we'll see if we get it right. So this circle here is really part of that triangle there, so I don't have to calculate it separately. So all I care about is the 2 pi RH part of that cylinder. The triangle, however, I need a calculation to get started with. It doesn't tell me its height. So I start by making myself a triangle that is a equilateral triangular base, so all the sides of this triangle are the same. And I know that they're all 15. So this is 15, 15, and 15 all the way across here to here. So that means if I drop down a height, put a right angle on it, this line from here to the middle is 7.5. So I'm basically doing a Pythagoras for a 7.5, 15H triangle. Remember how Pythagoras works, right? It's a squared plus b squared equals c squared. C has to be this longest line, the hypotenuse. So it's h squared plus 7.5 squared equals 15 squared. Whoops, 15, not 1.5. 15 squared. So h squared is equal to 15 squared minus 7.5 squared. We'll punch buttons on that and get an h. After I punch buttons, it turns out that h is, oops, 12.99 and a bunch of decimals. I'm not erasing those decimals. I've still got them on my calculator. Okay, so there's my height that I need. So it's time to start putting together my surface area equation. So the total surface area of this thing is, well, I'm going to say it's 2 triangles. 2 times base, which is 15, times height, which is this 12.99 that I still have on my calculator, divided by 2. The reason there's 2 here is because there's 2 triangles, top and bottom. So I cancel those. Then I have the 3 rectangles here. They're all 3 by 15. So 3 by 15, and there's 3 of them. Plus, I need the 2 pi RH part of the cylinder. That's 2 times pi. Radius is half of 4. And the height is 30. Punch buttons, and that should give us our answer. So the answer we got when we punched these buttons was 706.8 and then a bunch of change centimeters squared. And the answer key in the back says about 707, which tells me that we made the right choice. They did include the bottom.